So hello, this is the video I just told you that I will clean my mask. So as I said, here we've got the GP5 gas mask. So you can do this on its clones like Chinese M. So I'll show you how to clean it, and as I said, it will work on the clones and just similar mask like this. And what I want to tell you is to watch this intake. I just want to, come on, get it on. Nice. So I want you to watch out for this. If it is rusty, don't clean it like I do right now. You will just destroy your mask. So I don't recommend to do it if you have this rusty. It is a bad idea then. It will destroy your mask. Also the same here and here, even inside in here. I have it close to being rusty, at least it looks like it. So I guess let's get to the cleaning because my battery will go off. So what you're gonna do is just put your mask here like this and just start pouring water on it, and you just simply wash it like this. Don't worry, just do it. The same inside. You just pour water into it. Let's say it like faster. Alright, so, and just clean it inside like this, you know. Make sure to clean the intake because there can be a lot of things inside there. You don't want to breathe in like dust and other stuff. I'm making sure there's nothing left. So you see it is clean back again. So that's how you clean the inside. So next thing you're gonna do, just take a soap. You can do it like this. This is for those who have the rusty gas mask, right? You just get a soap on your hands. You can do it however, but make sure to give it on like this, just carefully, right? Or do it like this. Just get the soap on, right? Glasses, you must do it everywhere. Just for sure, you know. If you have like the exact place where you have to clean it or want to, you can do it right there. But I recommend to do it. But I recommend to do it when you're already cleaning the mask. I recommend to clean it fully, not just part of it. So the same thing you do from the inside. So get it through, get it open like this. This is hard. Alright, so just flipped it like this. And he will do the same thing from the inside. Get some soap on it. I'm interested if those red dots will go away. You see there are some red dots. I don't know what are these. Are they really not going off? So anyways, the same you do here. Just get the soap in there. Get some soap, right? Beautiful. And you just pour in water or whatever. Just get it off. If you have a rusty gas mask, then just, you know, get some water on your hand and do it like this, you know. Just simply just get water on your hand and just get it out like this. That's what I recommend for you who have a rusty mask, but who don't, you can just simply pour water into it. And also the same on the outside. For those rusty masks, I recommend to just pour water onto your hand like this and just clean it like this, you see. And get off, try to not hit this place where it is rusty, or some place where it is rusty. Try to go around it and not hit it, because it can destroy your mask. So just get some water on it, just for sure, just to make sure, you know. And actually this is how you clean your mask. So what you're gonna do next is just leave it somewhere to how was the word, god damn it, so the water will get off from it, you know, so it won't be wet, you know. Just heat it up or something, just so make sure the water is off. You don't want to breathe in water, right? I know what that feeling is like. So this is about cleaning it. What is this? What is that? Never mind. Maybe some number was in there. So this is about this part. And what you're now gonna do, well, let's see. So I just put it on the window, you see, just keeping it on this, and give it a time to warm up, and the water will get off. And give it some little bit more time to make sure that water even inside here has disappeared. So we'll give it some time, and when the water will go off, you just simply grab it and it is ready for action, back in the game. So this is how we clean a GP5 and clones gas mask. And I will also make some videos of how to put different types of gas masks, oh my goodness. And also I will show you how to clean